So this next song has a little bit of fancy footwork. There are 3 different levels. So if this is your first time trying it, you can follow level 1. That will be Carol and Derek in the back. And level 2 is Lindsay and Angie. Level 3 will be myself, Sabrina, and Tanya. So I'm going to show you really quickly before we start what the levels are. Level 1, don't get upset and frustrated, okay? I promise you can do it. Believe in yourself, believe in yourself. Level 1 is going to be kick, ball, change, starting with the right foot. You go kick, ball, change, then left, kick, ball, change. You push front, back, and a half circle, okay? Then when you're facing the back, you're going to start with your left foot. Left ball change and a right ball change. Push, pull, and a half circle back around, okay? Now, level 2 is going to be the same exact thing with a full circle, and it'll look like this. If you're level 2, you can do it with me. You go kick, ball, change, and a kick, ball, change. Push, pull, all the way around. Left side ball change, right ball change, and a push, pull, all the way around. Okay, good job. Level 3 is going to be the same thing, but it's going to be a kick, rock back, kind of like a rocking horse, and it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball back, and a pivot, pivot, all the way around. You want to do that again? Okay.
It's my first time.
It is Tanya's first time. Okay. All right, Tanya's learning this move for the first time too, so she's going straight to level 3. She's with you if you want to try level 3 and you're not really sure how it works. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, rock back, and a kick, rock back, pivot, pivot, all the way around. Left side, rock back, right side, rock back, pivot, pivot, all the way around. Let's go. It's going to start right away with that fancy footwork in 4, 3, 4, 3. Let's go.
Hey, used to have a silver tooth and I was just a pup, yeah.
Now I got some killers who got shots. Left side, go, boom.
When I get the feelings, I be trying to see what's up. Down the shorty, clean the business, I'm a diamond and run it back. Used to have a silver tooth but I was just a pup. Now I got some killers who got shotties with the when I get the feelings, I be trying to see what's up. How that shorty, clean the business, I'm a
to the right. Hey.
First order of biz, no snitch, and I try to keep it silent, but the kids don't listen.
Happy birthday! Take it down.
And tell them send a watch that I can
right, left, right.
She on the class trying to get
Hold
out.
it. Do back.
She think I'm a last cause I got a pass with her. And I ain't trying to let her down, but I'm not.
Do back.
If you was trying to settle down, get a fat. Well, I saw him pull up in the city with a nice jump.
Pivot. Put it out. Left side.
Lights on. Chinese throw the chicken, need a wipe to throw the rice on.
Hey. To the right.
I'm like, she running up. She running up. She pay a bill. She put it up.
Hey.
50 seconds, she done threw it down. Then I
take it down.
2023 and I'm the only.
Right, left, right.
Yeah.
Can't stop till we all up.
Again.
When I do like this, it's the big
From the top.
Used to have a silver tooth and I was
Turn
just
it.
a pup, yeah.
Pivot.
Got some killers who got
Hey,
shotties.
left side.
When I get the feelings, I be trying to see what's up. Got a shorty clean the business,
To
I'm
the
a
right.
diamond in the rough.
24 kind DVDs in the stars. Only one model
Party
with designers
time.
in the stars.
Take it down.
Right,
left, right.
Couple platinum records later, still I got the game locked. Cut my lines fresher than Tory Lane's pop. Who got his swerve and is missing every
Last
lane.
one.
Hit him with the fine and
To the
they get
right.
their brain swapped. Go around like I'm Nego with the diamonds in the clock. You ain't working on these hops, I got diamonds in my socks. I be funny like I'm Biggie, but I'm riding like I'm Pop.
Take it down.
Yo, city, give a fuck.
Right, left, right.
Lights on, lights off. Go on, trick it if you know that it's off. Deep dive and I get lost. Go on, turn it
From the top. One more time. Fancy feet.
Hey, used to have a silver tooth and I was just a pup, yeah.
Pivot.
Got some killers who got shotties with
Hey.
the pups. I don't wanna get the feelings, I be trying to see what's up. Got a shorty clean the business,
Again,
I'm a
right
diamond and
side.
run it back.
2
Used to
more.
have a silver tooth but I was just a pup. Now I got some killers who got shotties with the I don't wanna get the feelings, I be trying to see what's up. How that shorty clean the business, I'm a diamond